Here's something I wish I knew sooner. When you're focused on finding profitable products and shipping them into FBA, it's easy to overlook one critical thing: business insurance. But once you cross $10,000 in monthly sales, Amazon didn't just recommend it, they required it. No insurance is equivalent to risk of suspension. That's a wake-up call. Here's what Amazon's looking for: general liability insurance with at least $1 million in coverage, product liability coverage included, and Amazon is listed as an additional insured on your policy. I started looking around for quotes, and honestly, most providers were either super slow, didn't understand e-commerce, or quoted me way too high. Then I found Next Insurance. They had a clean, fast quote process made specifically for online sellers. You just have to select your business type, and within minutes, you will get your quote and the exact policy Amazon needed. What really stood out? You get unlimited custom certificates of insurance. You can log in and download your COI instantly, and everything's handled online. No calls, no paperwork. If you're running multiple Amazon accounts, this flexibility is a huge plus. And listen, even if you're under $10,000 a month, right now, I still recommend getting covered. One customer claims your product caused damage, or one Amazon audit, and it could cost you way more than policy. If you want to protect your business and avoid getting flagged by Amazon, use the link in the description to get your quote today. Get covered in minutes and keep selling with confidence.